I'm going to demonstrate now how to set up channels in a GarageBand project. Here I have our first project from The Voice. Anna is the lead vocal here, and I have her channel on here. So click on the channel, or the track that you want to work on. Open up the Edit control knob, and we get the opening at the bottom of the screen. We're not going to be recording here, so we can set it to no input and close that triangle. What we want here is the plugins, though. So open that triangle. GarageBand will default to this setup. We have a noise gate, their compressor, followed by their EQ. Here, of course, are your sends for echo, delay, and reverb. So we don't need a noise gate here. So you can get rid of that. This area selects the plugin you want. I'm going to do no plugin, and it empties it. We don't want their compressor either. I don't like it. So we're going to get rid of that. I like to put EQ first, so you can drag these inserts to any order you want. I really like the GarageBand EQ. It really gives, let me see if I can open it here. Oops. There we go. Yeah, really good. Let me turn it on there. So it gives us nice visual feedback on what's happening. Let me close that. Next, I want you to use the audio units multi-band compressor. Here's how to do it. Click in the right side of the insert. You get a pop-up. If you go all the way down, you get the audio units plugins. This is an Apple one. Go to Apple. Select, AU multi-band compressor. It opens up here. This is a 4-band multi-band compressor. For some reason it opens with this setting and it's really over-compressing our vocal. So we want to set it to neutral. The way to do that is we're on band 1, bring your threshold to 0. It won't do anything. We don't need 4 bands for this, so we're going to get rid of the low band by just pushing its crossover point to below our range of hearing. Now we have band 2. Push that threshold up to 0, so it won't do anything. And let's bring that crossover down to like maybe around 200. Click on band 3. Bring that threshold up to 0 so it doesn't do anything. So if we're going to compress something, we want our settings to be deliberate. Band 4, bring that up to 0, and we're not going to use it. So it's not doing anything, and if we push that crossover point above our range of hearing, it won't do anything either. So now we're not going to see any gain reduction happening. So save this now. This is going to be your default setting. Click here and click Save As. It's going to be Joel Comp, or name it after whatever you want. And this will save this setting in your projects. You're good to go. So this is our basic setup for each track. So now when you go to your next track, it's going to be much faster. I'll do the bass now. Get rid of the noise gate. No plug-in. Get rid of the compressor. No plug-in. Move your channel EQ up. By the way, you have to turn it on for it to work using the power button. And now you should be able to bring in your saved multiband. If you've used it recently, it will appear right there in recent plugins. But if for some reason it doesn't, you can bring it again in again from Apple, AU multiband. And now you can quickly bring back the one you saved, Joel Comp, and you've got your default setting. So this is how I want you to set up your plugins to begin with on each channel. That's all for now.